Good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manvade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. Today I am going to give you a session on figure drawing side force. So let us proceed. How to draw side force? The first time you draw a cookies will probably take you lot of time and it will not feel as fluid as it should be. Practice the key to learning and perfecting everything, so don't give up and try again. You can do your first drawing with a light mechanical pencil and draw the figure 5 times using a dark soft pencil like 2B. Try making a cookies out of a cardboard or craft paper so you get familiar with the proportions of the cookies and have fun practicing. Step 1. Start by drawing vertical ellipse and a horizontal one crossing it. This will be the head in profile. Right the middle of the vertical ellipse, pull a long vertical line to mark the body center line. Make sure you have enough space to fit 9 heads in the sheet. Step 2. Starting slightly below the head mark 3 ellipses to the left of the center line. They should be touching the center line and be right below each other. Pull a horizontal line at the bottom of the third ellipse and this is where the torso will end. Next, draw 2 more ellipses with the same size as the head again to the left the center line. These will be the thighs. Last and 3 more centered on the body center line. They set the size of the calves and the feet. Step 3. Pull a vertical line from the end of the skull, the horizontal ellipse. Pull a horizontal line from the top of the torso head. In the crossing point, draw a circle with the size about 1/4 head. This is the shoulder. Join it with the head to draw the neck. Make it is not too thin nor too thick. Notice that the neck is slanted when weaving it in profile view. The front line should be in the middle of the space between the shoulder and the center line. Just go through all these steps with the followed pictures. Next is step 4, drawing the breast. The breasts move from the side weave are not that difficult. All you need to do is follow the first torso ellipse guideline. If the ellipse was a clock, the curve you draw should be between 7 and 9. Connect to the neck area with a diagonal line. Cut out a triangle shape from the second torso ellipse resembling Pac-Man. Step 5. Finish drawing the torso. Connect the Pac-Man to the neck going around the shoulder. Try to make a nice smooth line. This is the back of fashion figure. For the front of torso, draw a short line below the breast following the same diagonal line. This is marking the rib cage. Then go straight down until you reach the widest of last torso ellipse. Then Go inside, blending it with the ellipse shape. Just check out with this figure, then have a practice. Step 6. Draw the booty area. Draw the booty of your model. You can make it bigger or smaller in volume depending upon your preferences required. The only important thing is to finish it above the horizontal line. Otherwise, your fashion figure will look with short legs. Mark the knee. It is placed in the bottom left part and second thigh ellipse. Draw a dashed line from the center of the knee to the center of the torso. Indicate the direction of the leg. It should be slightly slanted line. Draw the thigh. Starting from the into the torso, draw the thigh, making sure the front is slightly curved out. Completely straight lines will make the model look unhealthy, skinny. From the center of the knee, pull a diagonal line towards the center line. Cross where the last ellipse starts and mark the ankle. Draw the calf. It is time to draw the calf. Notice that the front line is almost straight, slightly bulged in, while the back line is nicely curved. Step 9. Drawing the feet. You may already have experience with drawing the feet from the side from the tutorial how to draw high heels. The essential is to draw a small circle for the heels. The essential is to draw a small circle for the heel to right of the center line and a horizontal ellipse to the left. Connect them with a curve. The back leg. Even in profile view, we almost always see small parts of the other side. Draw part of the back leg, thigh and part the foot. Make sure that foot is placed above and behind the front leg. This will give your fashion sketch perspective. Then in the next step, draw the arms. The arm can be placed in many different positions. Let's put it on the waist of the model. Duplicate the booty curve and draw the hand. Then pull a horizontal dashed line from the Pac-Man and a diagonal one, starting from the shoulder part. The latter should be in the same direction as the neck. Mark the elbow in the cross point. Then drawing the flesh. Draw the flesh of the arm. Pay attention to the place where the two parts of the arm meet. How to draw arms. Tutorial and how to draw bent arms type might be very helpful of this challenges you. Then draw the face. It is the time to clean up the sketch and draw the profile face of your model. Pick a hairstyle and of course design clothes of your choice. Now this is the final picture of your side force. You can color it using color pencil shading. Pencil shading you can prefer, or else you can paint out with the different textures, with the different hairstyle, and shoes can be of different patterns, fabric can be of different pattern. It's your choice. So I hope you all have enjoyed this session, and just go through the steps and practice the drawing of side force. Thank you so much. Let us see you in the next session. Thank you.